Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster ULTIMO CNC press brake. This is our iBend 2-axis CNC press brake offered by Steelmaster Industrial. This particular machine here is a 3.2 by 90 tonne. We offer these in all sorts of sizes from 13-20 wide up to 6 metres. They're a servo driven press brake, as you can see, just cycling around now at the moment. 4-finger back gauges, stroking down now, very quiet. We run the DSP guards on there so the operator can work nice and close, and they're fully adjustable. We've got sliding front sheet supports. We've got servo driven back gauge, nice big wide throats, but the main thing about this, why operators love it, is the graphical touch screen controller. As you can see there, so that's running through its bend cycle, and around the back of the machine here, it's got an open back and wall-mounted ball screw back gauges. We've got 4 fingers on the back gauge there. They're all adjustable in the R-axis, and a very good, very easy to use CNC press brake. So if you wanted to get ahead of your competition, work smarter, not harder, jump onto assetplant.com.au and look at our range of Steelmaster Industrial CNC ULTIMO press brakes. Thanks, and have a great day.